Hello team, welcome to this new video, and I'm going to share with you how you can use Gemini to create slides super quick on Google Slides, obviously. So I'm sure that you're going to like it. That's something I was working on because I'm building right now PowerPoint for Code of Honor for my team, the new team I'm building for my podcast. And I was like, why not sharing that with my audience? So that's why I decided to make this video. So stay tuned because you're going to like it and you're going to have a lot of value. So let's get right into it. Welcome again. My name is David Yao. So if you're new on this channel, I'm a software engineer. That's my career, but I'm very passionate about, tech, also finance, also fitness, also self-improvement. So in this channel, I'm talking about everything. Okay. I'm reacting to everything. I'm talking about those subjects. And I really encourage you to smash the like button, to smash the subscribe button, and smash the bell button so that you will be notified. We are just starting, so I will really appreciate if you want to be part of that journey and if you want to get as much value as possible, because that's what I'm going to do, promise you. You can also join my WhatsApp group. We have like 700 members, and we're all passionate about the same things, about tech, about finance, about self-improvement, etc., etc. I will be glad to have you on this group. So that's it for the announcements. Now let's dive right in and talk about how you can use Gemini, create slides super quick. As I was saying, right now I'm building a code of honor for my team. I believe it's super important. Code of honor, I have that for my personal life and my family, and I believe that that's something you should have, and you can translate the same values that you have personally into your business. That's something I learned from this guy, Patrick Bet-David. He has an amazing book, Your Next 5 Moves. I learned how you can really know about yourself, how you can build values, your own values, and you can share that with members of your team if you're building something. So that's what I was doing. So basically, I've done the job. I've also used ChatGPT to generate very plain PowerPoint for the Code of Honor that I'm going to read with my team every week. But then I decided to make it more nicer using Google Slides. Then I'm going to show you now what I'm doing with Gemini right now to go quickly in slide creation so that I don't have to think about what image should I choose for that slide, what should I write for the content of the slide, etc. So you should be able to see my screen now. As you can see, I have already built like 5 slides. I have another window. I'm sure you cannot see that. So this is what you're going to basically do. First of all, don't worry about the French stuff there. My Google account is in French right now, but it's the same thing in English. So let's say because that's the first thing that should happen. You should know the title and the content of your slide. You don't have to know exactly the content, but if you know what you want the slide to talk about, then you're good to go. For me, I have the title and I have the content. So we'll just open my Keynote, and let's say I'm going to create a new slide where I'm going now to the new slide will be Code of Honor. My podcast name is Tech Patrick. By the way, you can join us. The link is in the description. I'll be glad to have you there. We are inviting a lot of people, a lot of experts in the English community, in the French community. So yeah, it's a very broad podcast. In the prompt here, okay, first of all, you can click this icon to talk to Gemini. What I'm going to say is create a slide titled Tech Patrick Code of Honor, and the contents is, and I'm going to paste the content that I already have. So we tell the truth even when it's hard. We respect people, no gossip, no disrespect, okay, etc. And the only thing I'm gonna do now is click send. You have that. So that's a preview. As you can see here, it took exactly what I wanted it to take. So we always tell the truth even when it's hard, respecting people. We focus on continuous growth while protecting our peace, etc. I can insert. If I don't like this picture, there's an icon here, generate an image. I can click there and say what I want to say, right? So I want a team of mixed people, right? We want black, we want white, a team of mixed people brainstorming in a happy atmosphere, right? And I click create, boom. So you have another picture. If I click here, I love this one, I can click insert. I can just delete that. I can replace the picture and then you can generate, but I already generated. So I click the picture I wanted and I click replace, and you see it replaced the old image. That's it it, guys. That's just how you can use Gemini. But you can do it not only with slides, you can do it with sheets, you can do it with Google Docs as well. So I want to know in the comment section, guys, how do you use Gemini? Like, what are the different use cases in your day-to-day life where you use Gemini to accelerate the way you do tasks, the way you do your work? Would be glad to read your comment and I will answer your comment. We're not a lot, so trust me, I will be glad to answer any comments that you guys will share. Only positive comments, obviously. So that's what I wanted to share in this video, guys, and never forget, always learn. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.